Hi guys, so today we are going to solve the NIVOS OB 28 October question paper. Hope everyone already read the question paper. So we are come to the task 1. Okay, so they are asking the moral leader for managing health and safety. They are asking comment on the organization health and safety morals. And they given also a note that you should support your answer where applicable using relevant information from the scenario. So we can formulate our answer like this. We can start our answer. Organization managing health and safety morale very effect positively, which are following. First point is organization have world-class reputation of maintaining positive health and safety culture, which improve their employed workers' morale towards health and safety. Second point is by maintaining the effective health and safety morale, many other similar organizations are using them as a benchmarking purpose, which emphasizes the organization to continuous improvement. Organization is legally compliant, which sets a clear objective and targets and check them whether they reach to the same or not. Next point is organization employed and retain the workers who motivated towards the health and safety, which reduce the accident frequency rate in the organization. The next point is in organization there are less accident and incident rate, by which sickness and absenteeism rate is also less, which indicate an effective health and safety morale. And the next point is organization is giving priority to the workers consultation part, like they listen to their workers issues and try to resolve their issue as soon as possible. Organization is giving response professionally to external contractors complaints also, which leads to a positive health and safety morale. And the next one is all near misses recorded and investigated to know the root cause and share with all the workers to reduce the chances of reoccurrences of the same. The next one is organization is fully insured even the premium amount is high, which improve their workers morale towards the management and they feel safe at work. Next point is although reduction in the production rate due to storage tank issues, but still organization give priority to the human being and deployed a 25-year well experienced senior engineer who have zero last time injury record in the same field to perform the task safely without harming to anyone. And last point is management is following the health and safety rules and regulations strictly and set a clear example of all working level in the organization, which indicates a positive health and safety morale. So this is how we give answer of task number 1. Hope you understand. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.